Struggling to find thoughtful, creative, and impressive Christmas gifts this year? Looking for Christmas gift basket ideas that feel personal, festive, and easy to put together? Need inspiration for Christmas gift hampers for families, friends, coworkers, or employees? Or maybe you want beautiful Christmas present basket ideas filled with cozy food gifts and holiday treats? Then stay tuned. Because today we're sharing 15 amazing Christmas gift basket ideas that work for everyone on your list and make gifting effortless and unforgettable. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, where we share festive inspiration to make every season memorable. In today's video, we're exploring Christmas gift basket ideas, Christmas gift baskets ideas, and Christmas gift hamper ideas that are thoughtful, creative, and perfect for everyone on your list. What makes a great Christmas gift basket? A great gift basket combines a theme, thoughtful items, and beautiful presentation. The best Christmas gift basket ideas feel personal, practical, and festive all at once. What are the most popular Christmas gift baskets ideas? Food baskets, cozy winter baskets, self-care hampers, and family movie night baskets are always favorites. These Christmas gift baskets ideas work for almost anyone. If you love creative gift ideas, hit like and share this video with someone who's still shopping. What are thoughtful Christmas gift baskets for families? Include snacks, hot cocoa, popcorn, board games, and cozy socks. These Christmas gift baskets for families encourage together time and make perfect group gifts. What food gifts work best for Christmas baskets? Think chocolates, cookies, jams, nuts, gourmet popcorn, and holiday candies. These Christmas gift foods ideas are easy to customize and universally loved. What's your favorite Christmas food gift? Sweets or savory treats? Tell me below. What are creative Christmas gift hamper ideas? Try themed hampers like coffee lovers, spa night, baking kits, or wine and cheese. These Christmas gift hamper ideas feel curated and high-end. What are elegant Christmas gift hampers ideas for adults? Use neutral baskets, glass jars, candles, gourmet foods, and premium packaging. These Christmas gift hampers ideas are perfect for sophisticated gifting. For more Christmas gifting and decor inspiration, check the holiday playlist in the description. What are holiday gift baskets for employees? Include snacks, mugs, tea or coffee, desk treats, and a thank you card. These holiday gift baskets for employees show appreciation without being overly personal. What Christmas baskets for gifts ideas work on a budget? Use dollar store baskets, mason jars, or boxes with themed fillers. These Christmas baskets for gifts ideas look beautiful while staying affordable. Love budget-friendly holiday ideas? Subscribe for weekly Christmas inspiration. What are gift baskets for Christmas gifts ideas that feel personal? Tailor baskets to hobbies, baking, reading, fitness, or self-care. These gift baskets for Christmas gifts ideas show thought and intention. What are cute Christmas present baskets ideas for friends? Add candles, cozy socks, chocolates, mini plants, or ornaments. These Christmas present baskets ideas are perfect for friends and neighbors. For more gift and holiday DIY ideas, check the related videos linked below. What food-focused Christmas gift basket ideas are trending? Hot cocoa bars, cookie decorating kits, charcuterie boxes, and breakfast baskets. These food gifts for Christmas presents feel cozy and festive. How do I make Christmas gift baskets look expensive? Stick to a color theme, use tissue paper or shred filler, and wrap with cellophane and ribbon. These Christmas gift basket ideas instantly look premium. What are unique Xmas gift basket ideas for 2025? Try winter wellness kits, cozy night-in baskets, or hobby-based hampers. These Christmas gift hamper ideas feel modern and thoughtful. How can I create last-minute Christmas gift baskets? Use grocery items, candles, mugs, and ready-made snacks. These Christmas gift baskets ideas come together quickly, but still feel intentional. What Christmas gift basket ideas work for everyone? Universal baskets with food, candles, and festive decor are always safe. These Christmas gift basket ideas are crowd pleasers for any age. And that's it. 15 creative Christmas gift basket ideas to make your holiday gifting simple, thoughtful, and memorable. From food-filled hampers and family baskets to employee gifts and elegant present baskets, there's something here for everyone on your list. Gift baskets aren't just presents, they're experiences wrapped with care and holiday magic. Who are you making a gift basket for this year? Family, friends, or coworkers? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Christmas gift and decor inspiration. Happy gifting!